Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine. Today we are going to learn about aquatic plants. We already learned about terrestrial plants. The plants which grow on land are called terrestrial plants. What is the meaning of aquatic plants? I already told you aqua means water. The plants which grow in water are called aquatic plants. The plants which grow in water are called aquatic plant. Aquatic plants are of three types. Okay. Aquatic plants are classified into three types. First one is floating plant. Second one is submerged plant. Third one is fixed plant. Floating plants, submerged plants, fixed plants. Okay. Aquatic plants, plants that grow in water are called aquatic plants. Aquatic plants are of three types: floating plants, submerged plants and fixed plant. Now we will see in detail about floating plants, submerged plant and fixed plant. See, by the term floating, you can say the plants which float on surface of water are called floating plants. Floating plants mean the plants which float on surface of a water. On surface of a water are called floating plants. Okay. Submerged plants, the plants grow underwater. Submerged means the plants which grow underwater. The plants which grow underwater are called submerged plant. Okay. Plants whose roots are fixed to the bottom of the pond. Fixed plants means the plants whose roots are fixed. Whose roots are fixed to the bottom of the pond. To the bottom of the are called fixed plant. Okay. See once again, floating plants, the plants which float on surface of the water are known as floating plants. The plants which grow underwater are known as submerged plants. The plants whose roots are fixed to the bottom of the pond are called fixed plants. Okay. Once we will see the definition of floating plants. These plants float on the surface of a water as they have spongy bodies with empty spaces filled with air. Spongy bodies means these plants were having spongy bodies. Spongy bodies and surfaces filled with air. This right, and surfaces filled with air. Spongy means soft bodies they are having. Okay. They are having spongy bodies and the surfaces are filled with air. We'll see the examples. Duckweed, water lettuce. Okay. Examples are duckweed and water lettuce. Okay, next we will see submerged plants. These plants grow underwater. Their roots are fixed in the muddy soil. Okay, these plants' roots are fixed in muddy soil. Roots are fixed in, they grow underwater, right? Fixed in muddy soil. Next one, their leaves are narrow and thin without stomata. They are not having stomata. The leaves are narrow and thin without stomata. Leaves are thin without stomata. Without stomata. They have delicate and flexible stem. Examples are hydrilla, tape grass, and poundweed. Stem is delicate, flexible. Okay. Example we can say hydrilla and poundweed, tape grass. Poundweed, tape grass, etc. Okay, next we'll see floating plants. The roots of these plants are fixed to the bottom of the pound. These plants have thin, long and hollow stems. Here, leaves are thin without stem. Stem is delicate and flexible. In this, we are having hollow stem, stem is hollow, thin, long, thin and long stem. Stem is hollow, thin and long. These leaves are broad and flat and have waxy coating. Leaves are broad, flat and they are having waxy coating. Waxy coating means the leaves are covered with wax. Okay. Examples are lotus, water lily. We'll see examples. Lotus and water lily. Okay. Delicate means very fine structure or easily broken. See, here I wrote stem is delicate and flexible, means that stem is easily broken. That is the meaning of delicate. Flexible is capable of bending easily. Here this submerged plant stem we can able to bend it easily. We can able to broke it easily. Okay. Once again we will see the differences between submerged plants and fixed plant. See, submerged plants, the plants which grow underwater are called submerged plants. The plants whose roots are fixed to the bottom of the pond are called fixed plants. We will see once floating plants also. First we will see aquatic plants. The plants which grow in water are called aquatic plants. Floating plants, the plants which float on surface of a water are called floating. Float means it will float on a surface of a water. Spongy bodies, these floating plants have spongy bodies. Spongy means they are having soft bodies and surfaces filled with air. Examples, duckweed and water lettuce. Next one, submerged plants. The plants which grow underwater are called submerged. Submerged meaning is under. So the plants which grow underwater are called submerged plants. Roots are fixed in muddy soil. In submerged plants, leaves are thin without stomata. Stem is delicate and flexible. Delicate and flexible means we can break it easily. Okay. Examples are hydrilla, poundweed. For fixed plants, the plants whose roots are fixed to the bottom of the pound are called fixed plants. Stem is hollow, thin and long stem we are having. Here we are having delicate and flexible stem. Here and leaves are broad, flat and waxy coating they are having. Here leaves are thin without stomata in submerged. In fixed plant we are having leaves are broad, flat and waxy coating. Example, lotus and water lily. I hope you all understood this one. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.